Hello and welcome to Bon Voyage Hunger. What do we do with these leftover strawberries from the farm? Let's try and make some ice cream today. Let's take a look at the ingredients first. We need some strawberries to crush, we need whipping cream, sweetened condensed milk, and few strawberries for garnishing. Let's crush the strawberries to begin the process. Even if your strawberries are not fully crushed and there are a little bit of lumps or chunks, smaller chunks, it is fine because we're going to be anyways adding some strawberry chunks in the ice cream. Let us begin the next process now by whipping our cream. I am using the full fat 35% whipping cream over here to make my ice cream. The cream will basically ensure that your ice cream is more creamy and more soft. Start by keeping your hand mixer to a very low speed, and you can gradually increase the speed if you think that it is not thickening up enough. This is going to take a few minutes. Make sure that you whip the cream up to the stiff peaks. If you see, our cream has started to thicken up slowly. Continue whipping it and make sure that while you're whipping the cream, you are also rotating your mixture inside the cream so that you are able to scrape off all the cream from the side, and even that is getting whipped up properly. See, the cream has started thickening up. Now I see the soft peaks of the cream, but we still need to continue whipping it because we are looking for the stiff peaks. Let's check it again once. We have achieved the correct consistency of the cream which we are looking for. Now let's add in another ingredient, which is the sweetened condensed milk. Please remember that we don't have to overmix the condensed milk. Just mix it until it is fully combined and you get a homogeneous mixture of cream and condensed milk. So our condensed milk and cream are now combined. Time to add in one more ingredient, which is our crushed strawberries. We are going to add the crushed strawberries which we have prepared earlier to this mixture, and we will gently fold it into the cream. We don't want our cream to split and form butter, and that is why we will not whip the cream anymore after this. Let's gently fold in our strawberries. Look at that beautiful pink color which the strawberry is giving to the ice cream. Let's give it a quick few seconds mix with the mixture so that everything is combined properly. This looks so perfect. The strawberries which we had taken for garnishing, I have chopped them into smaller pieces. What I'm going to do is add those chopped strawberries to this mixture now so that we can get some strawberry crunch while we are eating the ice cream. Gently fold in your strawberry pieces in the mixture. There we go. Our ice cream is now ready to go into the freezer. We can set this overnight and you can enjoy the ice cream next day morning. Since my ice cream quantity is very small, I'm going to use these personal sized jar to freeze my ice cream. If you have more quantity of the ice cream, you can also choose to set it in an aluminum mold or an ice cream mold. Or you can also choose, if you want to make a stick ice cream out of this, you can use the kulfi molds or the ice cream molds to set the same. How do you set the ice cream is completely your personal choice. I'm gently tapping my jars to remove any air bubbles or an extra gap so that our ice cream can set properly. The tubs are now ready to go into the freezer for overnight. I'm going to screw the lid on and I'm going to leave it into the freezer to rest for the rest of the night. The ice cream tubs are out of the freezer and ready for us to taste. Look at the beautiful color and how nicely they have set. The ice cream is looking really creamy and it's so hard for me to resist. Let's take a dive into the ice cream tub and see how it tastes. You see the creamy texture of the ice cream and it's looking delicious. So please try and make this delicious strawberry ice cream and let me know in the comment box how you liked it. Stay tuned for more delicious recipes like this. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, my website, and follow me on Instagram.